Good morning, students. Welcome to your digital classes. Open page number 14, Unit 1 Living World, Lesson 2 The World of Plants. In this lesson, we will learn about the different part of the plant and their function. So, let's start. Plants are living things like us. As we need food, air and water to grow, plants also need air, water, mineral salts, sunlight and good care to grow. A plant has a different parts like a root, stem, branches, leaves, birds, flowers, fruits, etc. Each part of the plant has its own function. Let us study about the various part of the plant and their functions. So, as we have learned in our previous lecture that plants are also living things and they also need a food, air and water to grow as we need. In this lesson, we will learn the different part of the plant. So, come to that point. We can divide the part of the plant into two groups mainly, root and shoot. The root, the part of the plant that is under or below the soil is called root. This part of the plant is under or below the soil. This part is called root. And the part of the plant which is above the soil and can be seen is called shoot. This is a shoot and this is a visible part of the plant and root is invisible part of the plant. The shoot system has the stem. This is stem. Then branches, leaves and birds. Okay. And flowers. Here you can see the flowers. Okay. And the fruits. This is a fruit. Roots are present below the soil. They are of two types. Roots are divided into two types, tape roots and fibrous roots. Tape roots. What is the tape roots? The roots having a one main roots and other smaller roots or branches coming out of it is called tape roots. Example, the plants having the tape roots are neem, mango, peepal, beans, etc. This is a taproot. The main branch is here and from that main branch smaller branches then coming out. Okay. So this is a taproot. Then fibrous root. A root in which the number of roots, branches grows from one single point at the base of the stem is called fibrous roots. For example, wheat, onion, rice and grass. From the here you can see in a picture one single point. This is a one single point. From this single points number of root branches arising. Okay. So this is a fibrous roots. This type of roots are weak roots. They are not penetrated deeply in a soil. Okay. So they are weak roots. The tape roots, they are penetrated very deeply in a soil and they hold the tree into the soil. So these are the strong roots. Okay. So this is the main difference of the taproot and fibrous roots. Now come to the next point. Function of the roots. The roots fix the plant firmly in a soil. Roots help the plants to absorb water, minerals, salts from the soil. And root also send the absorbed water and mineral salts to the stem. Roots of some plants store extra foods in them. We eat such roots Such example, we eat carrots, turnips, beetroots and radish. So these are the roots, and these roots of some of the plants, they store the extra foods, so they become a swollen, and they form a such type of things for us. So here we have seen the different function of the roots. Roots fix the plant firmly in a soil and also absorb the water and mineral salts from the soils, and they send the absorbed water and mineral salts to the stem. They absorb water and mineral salts from the soils to the stem, okay, and store the food. Now come to the next point, shoot. Shoot is seen above the soil. The shoot system consists of the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The stem is a main part of the shoot system. All the other part of the plants like branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits etc. grow on it. All the plants do not have the same type of stem. Some plants like coconut and neem, banyan etc. have the hard, strong and woody stem called trunks. Some plants like banana trees have the soft and green stem. So we have learned here the root system, and then we are coming to the shoot system. Shoot is above the soil and it is consists of a stem, branches, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. Okay, so these are the part of the shoot system. First part is stem. This is the main part of the shoot system, and other part they like branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits, they grow on it. Okay. Some plants like coconut, neem and banyan, they have the hard, strong and woody stem. So this type of stem is called trunk. And some plants like banana tree have the soft and green stem. Some creepers and climbers like money plant, gourds and grapes etc. have a very soft and weak stem. They climb up taking support of the strong trunks of a other plant, or the creep on a ground too. So here creepers and climbers like money plant and gourd and grapes, they have the very soft and weak stem, and they need so that they need a support to climb on other plants. Okay. Now the function of the stem. Stem support and hold the plant upright, and it bears the branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. It carries the water and mineral salts from the root to the leaves. From root to the leaves. Food prepared by the leaves is transported or carried to different part of the plant through the stem. Here the leaves prepare the food, and then this transport food to different part of the plant. Okay, so this type of the one more function of a stem. Stems of some plants store extra food in them. Such stems are edible or fit for eating. Example of such stems are potato, ginger, turmeric, onion, garlic and sugarcane. Of this potato, ginger, turmeric, onion and garlics are underground stems. These are underground. Stem of some plant store the foods and they are edible. So examples are potato, ginger, turmeric, onions and garlic. These are underground stem because they are present below the soil. Okay, so they are underground stem. Thank you.